Hello everyone, welcome to New Wave Coaching Class for Mathematics. This is your host Jatin. Today we are going to complete our exercise 14.3 of chapter statistics, which is based on measure of central tendency called median. Right? So without wasting time, let's start with the third question of the exercise. If you can see on my back, the third question is given. It's a question basically related with the insurance, and it's given that the insurance can be done for the people whose age is above 18 and less than 60, and accordingly they have made some slabs. So they say people below 20, the number of policy holders are 2. Below 20 means between 18 and 20. Below 25 we have 6. Below 25 means the people who are less than whose age is less than 20, they also come under below 25. Then below 30, again these all are coming, so we have 24. Below 35, these all are coming, this means 45, and same below 60, total number of people we have 100. Now the big question, this actually is not the frequency, this is cumulative frequency. If you remember in my last lecture also I have told, if the value is either increasing or decreasing, that is not frequency but that is cumulative frequency. So here also this is cumulative frequency. Our first step is to make the intervals, and second step would be to find the frequencies. Now, first we find the class intervals. As you can see, the difference between these limits is of 5. So we cannot simply write the first interval as 15 to 20. Reason being, in the question is given, we cannot include below 18. Right? It means our first interval cannot be 18 to 20, it becomes discontinuous. So first interval we write straight away as below 20. For the second we write 20 to 25, then we have 25 to 30, then we have 30 to 35, then we have 35 to 40, then we have 40 to 45, then 45 to 50, 50 to 55, and then 55 to 60. Now, how to find the frequency? That is F. Right? So we know that the first one remains same, that is 2. Now, from 20 to 25, now I know below 20 these two are also coming. So what I do, if I have to find between 20 to 25, I will subtract these 2 from 6 and I get 4. Similarly, below 30, these two values are also coming. So if I want to find between 25 to 30, I will subtract this 6 from this 24 and I get 18. Similarly, for the next, I subtract these two, I get 21. Then I subtract these two, I get 33. Then I have 11. Then this 3, 6 and 2. Let's take it out again. The first one remains same. Then we have 6 minus 2, 4. Then we have 24 minus 6, 18. Then 45 minus 24 is 21. 78 minus 45 is 33. 89 minus 78 is 11. 92 minus 89 is 3. 98 minus 92 is 6. And 100 minus 100 minus 98 is 2. So now, the next thing, what we have to do is to find the median class. So median class, obviously, as I told you in the previous lecture also, is the class containing nth by 2 observation. So n here is 100, so that is class containing 50th observation. Now 45 is coming here, it means from 46 to 78, means 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, they are all coming in this interval, this one. So my median class is 35 to 40, right? So now the frequency of the median class is taken as F. So this is my F here will be 33. and CF is 1 back. So CF here I am taking as 45. Now to find the median equals to L plus n upon 2 minus CF upon F, and the whole is multiplied by H. So L is 35, then this is 50 minus 45 upon 33 and multiplied by my H is, you can see the difference is of 5. So this comes out to be 35 plus 5 multiplied by 5 upon 33. So that is 35 plus 25 upon 33. So now we divide this 25 by 33. So after dividing it, basically rounding it off, we get it as 0.76. So this is 35 plus 0.76 and I get the value as 35.76 years. Right? So this is how we calculate. Now let's go to the next question. You can see in this question, the interval which are given to me are not in the continuous form, they are discontinuous. The upper limit of one interval is not equal to the lower limit of the next interval. So our first step would be to make the interval in the continuous form. And as you learned when I taught you mean, that if we have to make the interval continuous, what we do? We take the difference of the upper limit of one interval and the lower limit of the other next interval. So in this case, upper limit of one interval and the lower limit of the next interval, the difference comes out to be 1. Then whatever the difference comes out, we take half of that. In this case, half of 1 will be 0.5. And that number we subtract that number from here in these and we add here. It means the lower limit we subtract 0.5 and the upper limit we add 0.5. So my new class intervals would be something like this. So after subtracting, I get these values. The next thing, we have to find cumulative frequency. Right? So we find cumulative frequency, the first one will be same, that is 3. Then 5 plus 3, it is 8. Then it is 17. Then it is 29. Then it is 34, 38, and finally this is 40. It means the sum here also, sum of all the frequencies is here as 40. So the first step, find the median class. So the median class here would be class containing nth by 2 observation. So that is class containing n is 40, so that is 20th observation. So the 20th observation will be coming in this interval. So that is 144.5 to 153.5. This is my median class. Now let's find the median. So median is equal to here L plus n upon 2 minus EF upon F and multiplied by H. Now my L is 144.5 plus n by 2, that is 20, minus. Now the CF is basically one class behind the median class, and this is my F. So that is 17, 20 minus 17 and divided by 12, and H is my, if you see, if you take the difference here, it is 8, but with the new class interval, the difference comes out to be 9. So this is multiplied by 9. So this is 144.9, so 0.5. I cancel out here, this is 3, this is 4, plus 3 upon 4 multiplied by 3. So 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. So this is 9 upon 4, and this is 144.5 plus 2.25, and I get the value, this is 146.75 millimeters, right? So this is the solution of the question number 4. Let's go to the next question, that is question number 5. In the question number 5, it's given that we have the lifetime of some neon lamps, 400 neon lamps, and this is the table we are given. From 1500 to 2000 hours we have 40 lamps, from 2000 to 2500 hours this is 56, and so on till 4500 to 5000 we have 48 lamps. The first step, we have to find the cumulative frequency. So first will remain same, that is 14. Then we add this 56, this becomes 70, then this is 130, then this is 216, then we add the 74 and it becomes 290, and then this will be 352, and finally this is 400. Now next thing, we have to find the median class. So that is class containing nth by 2 observation. That is equal to class containing 200th observation. So obviously 200 comes here in this interval. So that is 3000 to 3500. Right, so let's find median now. Median equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F and multiplied by H. Right, so the L is here 3000 plus n is 400, so n by 2 becomes 200. Now the frequency is this which we'll be using, and this is my CF, that is one class preceding the median class. So this is 200 minus 130 upon 86, and this multiplied by 500. Simplify it out, this is 3000, this is 70 upon 86 into 500. So this cancels. This is 250. Sorry, by mistake. This is 70 upon, this is 86 into 500. So this is 35 upon 43, right? So we multiply this, this is 3000 plus 35 into 5, it comes out to be 175 upon 43. So let's divide 17500 by 43. This is 17500 by 43. So it goes by 4. No, it goes by 3 basically. If it goes by 4, 4 3 that's 16, 6, Yes, it goes by 3. So this is 9 and then we have a 12 here. The remaining will be, wait, let's try by 4. 4 3s are 12. 2, 1 carry, 16 and 1 17, right. So this is 30. We put a 0 here, 1 more 0. So now we divide this by, this will go by 7, 7, 21, this will go by 6, 6 3 are 18, 8, 1 carry, 25, so this is 42 and this is 406.9. So this is 3000 plus 406.9. So the answer is 3406.9 hours. This is our median value, right? Let's go to the next question. I have not done the 6th question. 6th question you can try it yourself. You have to find the median and mode both in that question. We'll go to the last question, that is related with the weight of 30 students in a class. So let's find the CF first in this question. So we have 2, then it is 5, 13, 19, 25, 28 and this is 30. Let's find the median class first. That is equal to class containing nth by 2 observation. So that is class containing 15th observation. So we have the 15th observation here, the 13 is here, so 14, 15 comes here. Excuse me. So this is 55 to 60. This will be my frequency of the same class, and a class preceding my median class will I taking as my CF. So let's find median now. So median equals to L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F and multiplied by H. Substitute the values now. This is 55 plus 15 minus 13 upon 6 and my H is 5. So this is 55 plus 2 upon 6 multiplied by 5. This is cancels out. This is 3. So this is 55 plus 1.67 and I get the value as 56.67 kilogram. So right here friends, this was the last question of the exercise 14.3 which was based on the median. One question I have left for you, you just write yourself. If you are still not able to do this, just write in the comment section about that question. And make sure to like my video and subscribe to my channel. This is your host signing off. Goodbye and take care.